everyone, students. In this module, we will learn about linen fabrics. Linen fabrics are obtained from flax plant. It is a natural fiber and it is very popular choice for warm and humid climate. Best linen comes from Belgium. Belgium is particularly known for high quality linen, and the largest producer of flax is Canada. Now, let us see how flax is important for us. See, we obtain linen fibers from flax. And linen fiber is a popular choice for warm and humid climates because linen fabrics breathe well, helping to regulate our body temperature as well as wicking away moisture from our skin. It means we stay comfortable whatever the season is. Students, linen comes from a plant which is called Linum eusitatissimum, which means most useful. Means linen name itself says that it is a very useful plant. It is also called flax plant. Now, let us see some properties of linen. See students, linen fiber is stronger than cotton fabric. So that's why it is very popular for making clothes and other household textiles such as linen bed sheets, tablecloths and towels, etc. Secondly, it's brighter than cotton fiber and it's slightly silky. The color, its basic color goes from yellowish to grey and length is about 80 to 30 inches. The most important property of linen is it breathes well. I have already told you that it keeps us cool in high temperature. See student, flax plant do not tolerate heat. That's why it is sown in the winter season so that harvesting can be undertaken before the heat of early spring. Flax plants are ready for harvesting after about 100 days of growth. Once the flax stems are yellow and their seeds are brown, these plants are ready to be harvested. Now, flax plants are harvested by hands. After harvesting, flax plants are submerged in water or ponds or tanks. Traditionally, this step has been done by soaking raw flax stems, but these days manufacturers use chemicals to achieve the same effect. Means, retting is a process employing the action of microorganisms and moisture on plants to dissolve or rot away much of the cellular tissues and so facilitating separation of fibers from the stem. रेटिंग में होता क्या है? रेटिंग में थोड़ी देर के लिए फ्लैक्स प्लांट को पानी में भिगोया जाता है जिससे कि बैक्टीरिया उसमें जो गमी मैटर प्रेजेंट होता है उसको डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं और फिर हम इजीली फ्लैक्स फाइबर को फ्लैक्स प्लांट से सेपरेट कर पाते हैं. आफ्टर रेटिंग द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस इज स्कशिंग. Now here the stems are dried and broken from the fibers. The scushing process separates the impurities from the raw material. It can be done by beating, combing or scraping. Scushing can be done by hands or by machine. See in this picture, a lady is scushing by hands. It can be done by machines also. Once scushing is done, then fibers are ready to spin. We obtain this type of fiber we can see in the picture. After spinning, the fiber is converted into yarn. It's ready to make clothes. Now students, let's see some uses of linen fibers. Flax fibers are useful for making linen clothes and laces. Clothes made of linen are popular in tropic regions where temperature is very warm and humid. Flax fiber is also used for making fine paper, just like cigarette paper. Cigarette paper is made by flax fibers. Flax is also used for making fishing lines and nets. See in this picture, The seeds of flax are pressed to obtain linseed oil. That's all about flax. Now let us summarize the topic. First of all, growing flax. Then we harvest the flax. Then process of retting and squashing is done. After that, we obtain fiber and we spin and weave the fiber. And we have discussed various uses of flax. That's all for today. If you liked the video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.